you looking for a quick and secure way to convert Outlook OLM files into universally accessible PDF format? Introducing SysTools OLM to PDF Converter. A powerful and user-friendly software that efficiently converts your OLM files into PDF format with all email attributes intact. Key features of the software. Convert OLM to PDF in bulk. Easily export multiple OLM files or entire folders to PDF format in a single operation. Advanced scan mode. Easily scans and repairs corrupted or unreadable OLM files, making them ready for accurate PDF conversion. Advanced PDF settings. Configure margin, page size, orientation, add dates, numbers and date stamps. Custom naming conventions. Rename output PDF files based on subject, sender, date, or combinations for better organization. To download the software, open Google and search for SysTools OLM to PDF Converter. Click the top result that leads to the official SysTools website. On the product page, click the download button. Once downloaded, install the software by following the on-screen instructions. After installation, launch the tool. You'll see a clean and intuitive interface with clearly labeled navigation tabs and action buttons for smooth operation. Start by clicking on the Add File button to add an OLM file from your local machine. A small window will appear with two options, Browse OLM File and Browse Extracted Folder. Browse OLM File. Use this option to directly add a single OLM file. Browse Extracted OLM Folder. Use this option if you have a large OLM file. Before using this option, you must zip and extract the OLM file to improve performance. Click on the three dots button to specify the source location of your OLM file or extracted folder. Select the appropriate file and then click Open to load it into the software. If your OLM file is corrupted or unreadable, use the Advanced Scan feature. Click Add to initiate a deep scan. Once the scan completes, a prompt will appear asking whether to save the scanned results. Click Yes to save for later access or No to continue without saving. After the scanning process is complete, the folder structure of the OLM file will be displayed in the left side pane of the interface. Click on any folder, such as Inbox, Sent Items, etc., from the left pane. The corresponding list of emails contained in that folder will appear in the right side pane. Click on any specific email from the list to preview its content. Once an email is selected, a detailed preview of the email will be displayed in the bottom panel. The software allows you to view email data in multiple preview modes for detailed analysis, including Normal Mail View, Hex View, Properties, Message Header, MIME View, HTML, Attachments. Now you can view all the folders and mailbox items. There are tabs, Mail, Calendar, Contacts, Notes, and Folder list in the left side of the window. Simply click on any of the category options and view its data. Once you previewed the OLM file content, you can begin the export process. If you want to export only specific emails or folders, select them manually and then click on the Export Selected option. To export the entire content of the OLM file, click the Export button without selecting specific items. A new export window will appear, showing multiple export options such as PSD, PDF, EML, MSG, MBOX, etc. Since we are exporting to PDF, select the PDF radio button. Next, click on the Advanced Settings button to customize your PDF export preferences. The Advanced Settings window provides different tabs to help organize your PDF output. Select General Settings. In Naming Convention section, choose how your PDF file should be named. Options include Subject, Subject plus Date, From plus Subject plus Date, Auto Increment, Custom Combinations, etc. Delimiter for special characters. This option allows you to replace or handle special characters such as underscore, space, and hyphen. In Categories, select the data types you want to export: emails, contacts, calendars, tasks, notes. To apply Date Filter, check the Date Range option checkbox to activate the filtering feature. Click on the Add button. This will open a date selector. Choose the start date and end date to define the time range for the export. Only the data falling within this range will be exported. If needed, you can click the Add button again to define and include multiple date ranges. To remove a mistakenly selected date range, simply click the Remove button. Include Internet Message Header. Check this option to embed the full email header in the exported PDF files. Page Layout Settings. In Margins, set page margins, top, bottom, left, right, from 2.0 mm to 10.0 mm as per your formatting needs. Paper Layout. Paper Orientation, choose between portrait or landscape. Page Size, select from various sizes like A3, A4, letter. Header and Footer Settings. Set custom header and footer text. Choose font family, font size, and font color to match your document style. Attachment Settings. In this tab, you can control how attachments are handled in the exported PDF files. Select Bates Number tab. Bates Number Format. Add Bates numbers to each PDF. Set the start number. Define the increment by value. Choose the position, top left, bottom right, etc. In Date Stamp, select the date format and choose its position on the page. Once you've configured all the required settings, click the Save button to apply the settings. Now it's time to choose the location where your output PDF files will be saved. Click on the Browse button to open the folder navigation window. Navigate to the desired folder on your system where you want the exported PDF files to be stored. Enable Maintain Folder Hierarchy option to preserve the original folder structure of your OLM file. Create single PDF for each folder. If checked, all emails within the same folder will be combined into a single PDF document, rather than exporting each email separately. Enable Ignore System Folders to exclude default system folders such as spam, trash, and junk from the export. Once all settings are configured, click on the Export button to begin the conversion. The software will start processing the data and exporting it to PDF format based on the selected options. Once the export process finishes, a confirmation message "Export process completed successfully" will appear on the screen. Click on the OK button to proceed. An export report window will open automatically. This report displays detailed information, including success count, number of items successfully exported; failure count, number of items that could not be exported. To keep a copy of this report, you can save by clicking on the Save button. You can quickly access the exported PDF files by clicking on the folder path or location link provided in the interface. This will open the destination directory where all the converted PDF files are stored. View the generated PDF files, organized in the same folder hierarchy as in the original OLM file. And that's it. That's how you can effortlessly convert OLM files to PDF. Log on to the given product page for more detail and purchasing the product. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.